Hey guys, let's see how to split 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Xfinity Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have my app already working on my cell phone and I want to split the signals. If I come here to my phone, you can see that I have just one signal. When I come here and check what the signal that my cell phone is connected to, you see here my Wi-Fi. Okay, basically this one here. And then I don't know if my phone is working with the 2.4 gigahertz or 6 or 5 gigahertz or even 6 gigahertz. There is also this option here of 6 gigahertz for my router. Okay. Then what I can do here is just split the Wi-Fi signal so I can make sure which one I can connect to. That's very useful if you have a Wi-Fi camera, for example, and then you want to connect to a specific signal, and then you can have more control. Here you can see 3 signals at the same time, all right? So let me just explain basically how it works when you have just one signal. So right now I have one signal, which is my Wi-Fi, and then I have here my router, okay? Which is a Xfinity router. There we go. And when I have a device like my cell phone or a camera, and the device here is communicating with the router, and the router is going to negotiate with the device. So basically here I see the signal, my Wi-Fi, my cell phone see this signal here, connects to this signal, my Wi-Fi, and then a negotiation happens and is going to get a 2.4, 5 gigahertz, or 6 gigahertz connection. Right now, I don't know exactly which one my cell phone is connected to. Okay, and that's no good if you have a camera, for example, that only works with the 2.4 gigahertz. All right, so let me just clean this up. There we go. And now I'm coming here to my app. If you don't have this app yet, you just need to go to the App Store and look for Xfinity. See here, I have Xfinity. Then just make sure that you get this one because there are different Xfinity apps. So I have this one. You just open it up and you log in with your account. If they ask you to log in with your email or cell phone, come here to the Wi-Fi details and you see that I have my Wi-Fi. And here I can edit. Here you see the settings and there's this option here to split the signals. So I have a temp password just to make this video as a temporary password. When I hit here split bands, then I have the option to name my signal, the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I have the option to name and select a Wi-Fi password for the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and the 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi as well. Okay, my cell phone cannot see the 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but my computer, which is a MacBook, can see it. Okay, depending on the device, you can or cannot see it. So I'm going to rename this one, for example, like 24. So I can remember that's just 24 for this one. Okay, I can remember that's the 2.4 gigahertz network and use this password, temp pass. I can rename this one as well. Let's use here 5. And I can use here for this one 6. It's up to you. You can select any name that you want and then you save and it's done. Okay, now when you come here to your Wi-Fi just to check it out, you see here that you have different signals available. Let's just wait for it to load. There we go. Then I have here my Wi-Fi 24. You see it. Then the list keeps refreshing, so you just need to refresh the list here. There we go. I have 24, I have 5. This one didn't time out yet. It's going to vanish from here in a while. Okay. And I don't see 6 here because my cell phone cannot see it 6. But at least you can see that 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, right? Then I can connect to the 5 gigahertz. Now I'm sure that I'm connecting to the 5 gigahertz. I don't depend on any negotiation here. So I just need to insert here the temp password and join. And there we go. Okay. On Android devices, it's pretty easy just to go to your Wi-Fi settings and check what is the band that's connected to. So you're gonna see if it's connecting to the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz network. Okay. On iPhone is a little bit different, so I cannot see here. I need to use an extra app to see which Wi-Fi I'm connecting to. Okay. If you guys know a way to check on iPhone, just leave a comment here. Okay. So let me know. But basically, I don't see a way to see from here directly from the iPhone itself. And now if I want to connect to my different signal here to my Wi-Fi 24, I do the same. The first time that I just connect to the signal is asking for the password. The password is the same, and then it's just connected directly because I was testing before. I was connected to this signal before. Okay, so I have this memorized here on my cell phone. So it works pretty fine. Okay. Now, when I come back here to the Xfinity app, here to Wi-Fi, that's the one that I have to go to. I come here and I see that I have 2.4, 5 gigahertz, and 6 working pretty fine. Okay, so super simple to split. Just need to come here to the editing Wi-Fi settings, right? As long as I have this checked, it's going to work. Okay, I hope this helps. Now you know how to split 2.4, 5 gigahertz, and even 6 on your Xfinity router. I'm working here with the Xfinity XB8, but it works the same way with different Xfinity routers. All right, I hope this helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.